to Wendy Styles. Today I just want you guys to check out those celebrity short haircuts from Step the Barber. Step the Barber, we all know he's based in Atlanta, Georgia, and he's this kind of guy that knows what he's doing. Sometimes, like I remember a few months ago, I always get this kind of sudden urge, like to just change my look completely. I don't know if I would say it's just because of the season or just sheer boredom. But sometimes I just want to go for that kind of new hairstyle. Sometimes when I go through the videos here, I put here, I just want to change my style because they give me sometimes inspirations on how I want to make my next haircut like in the future. So today we have this kind of beautiful short hairstyles. You can see how slick they are, and these styles are endless ways because there are so many endless ways for you to style this short hairstyles. And these days many celebrities have already hopped on this trend now because you can see. I just want you guys to see the before, and later you will see the review of this platino. Stephanie Papa has the skins and coils product. Like, he knows what he's doing, and he also has his own product to really give you that slick haircut you want, that will make people, when they see you, they'll be so stunned. Like, they'll be like, what a beauty. So one thing with these styles is that they are beautiful, sleek cuts, and opting for this kind of short hairstyles could be the refresh your hair needs. So if you really need further convincing, why not just check the rest of the video, because today's video are just beautiful clips from Step the Barber, because we've bring about um 15 of his videos, and I want you guys to please watch to the end because it will give you that inspirational style you want to bring out the best kind of hairstyle every hair type need, and in that mood you are. I just want you guys to see this haircut. I just love that V pattern, from the back. And look at this particular zigzag too. His own way of giving patterns and styles are different. And you can see how the clothes look so beautiful on those beautiful women. And what really inspired this short haircut, you can see, it's just the way it is, the way that it, like the color. Because natural hair, are this kind of manageable kind of style that will always make you stand out, without make you look healthy or make you feel like, or let's say feel the wind in your hair. And it's that kind of style that will match your vibrant personality, because one thing with the styles today is that they are full of color, and it is something definitely you will love. So take a good look on the review of this hair. See the way he's trying to use kits and coils to really do the coloring process, and take a good look at the review. Isn't this color so magnificent? The color, the pattern, the just, I don't know how to say this, but the hair is just so beautiful. Like, when it comes to showstopper, this kind of style is that show stopping red carpet worthy looks, because this kind of style should always comes to your mind, like when you really want to go for that red carpet event. And you can see how the styles are effortless. Like, it's that kind of style you can really style in various ways. And one thing with this style is that style that comes with different shape, and it will give you that kind of confidence you want. So let me not just talk much. Let me just let you guys to please cover the rest of the styles still up to wellness styles. We are here to bring the best of styles that are really trending for you guys. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Still up to wellness styles, and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.